In this video, we listed the 5 best punching bags that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. FITVEN Freestanding Bag. The FITVEN All-in-One Boxing Kit offers a comprehensive solution for those looking to enhance their mixed martial arts training. This freestanding punching bag stands 70 inches tall and is suitable for the whole family, from adults to teens. It features a cutting-edge shock-absorbing system with dual absorbers and 4 springs, allowing for effective strength training and dynamic strikes. The bag is supported by a stable 5mm thick ABS base with 12 suction cups that, when filled with sand, can weigh up to 205 pounds for maximum stability. Constructed from high-quality materials, including stainless steel and premium PU leather, it is designed to withstand rigorous use. The kit also includes 12-ounce boxing gloves with 7mm thick foam for optimal shock absorption and protection during workouts. Note that the base and bag are shipped separately, and filling the base with sand is recommended for the best stability. Number 2. Double End Bag. The BoxerPoint Medium Boxing Training Kit is a comprehensive package designed for boxing enthusiasts of all levels, offering everything necessary for effective training. Measuring 7.5 inches by 12.5 inches and crafted from durable polyurethane, PU, leather, this kit includes an inflatable punching bag, protective hand wraps, and a travel bag for convenience. The adjustable 41-inch bungee cords allow for versatile use, accommodating various ceiling heights and user preferences. Ideal for improving hand-eye coordination, reaction time, and precision, the double-end reflex bag enhances performance in boxing, MMA, and kickboxing. Its reinforced construction ensures longevity, making it suitable for daily workouts, while being adaptable for both beginners and experienced boxers aiming to elevate their training regimen. Number 3. Filled Punching Bag. The Outslayer Boxing and MMA Punching Bag is designed for adult athletes and measures 14 inches in width and 55 inches in height. Made from durable black vinyl, this bag is filled exclusively with fabric, avoiding the sinking and hard spots commonly associated with sand-filled options. It comes packaged in a heavy-duty reusable vinyl cover, which not only protects the punching bag during shipping but can also be utilized for moving or storage, ensuring it remains in excellent condition. This product is ideal for those engaged in boxing and mixed martial arts, emphasizing quality and longevity in training equipment. Number 4. Century Bob XL Bag. The Century Bob XL is a versatile freestanding heavy bag designed for boxing and kickboxing, featuring a realistic body design complete with facial details and a generous torso area for striking. Weighing 25 kilograms, this adult-sized training equipment is made from synthetic materials and can be adjusted to heights ranging from 60 to 78 inches, accommodating various martial arts training needs. Its solid base, which weighs up to 270 pounds when filled with sand or water, ensures stability during intense workouts. With dimensions of 24 inches in diameter and 60 inches in height, the Bob XL is an ideal practice tool for those looking to enhance their striking skills while supporting a U.S. company dedicated to high-quality, lead-free manufacturing. Number 5. Dripex Freestanding Bag. The Dripex Adult Freestanding Punching Bag stands at 69 inches tall and is designed for boxing and kickboxing enthusiasts of all ages, including adults, youths, and teens. Constructed with a robust faux leather outer material, this punching bag weighs 16 kilograms and features a stable floor-sucking base that can be filled with sand to reach a maximum weight of 205 pounds, ensuring superior stability during use. The stainless steel tube stand is built with a multilayer design, incorporating a 2mm thick PU leather striking surface and high-density EPE foam for durability and comfort. It also includes an upgraded shock-absorbing system with dual TPU absorbers and 4 springs for effective noise and impact reduction. Easy to assemble, the punch bag comes in 2 separate boxes, requiring no wall or ceiling drilling for setup. Whether used at home or in the office, This freestanding punching bag is ideal for stress relief and improving strength.